video, and today we're doing something a little bit different. So I have recently fallen in love with line dancing, like absolutely fallen in love, and I have taken every class in the world. I am constantly saving ones to learn. Like, I am obsessed with line dancing. And I know that this channel is primarily a tap dance channel, but when I go out line dancing and people find out I'm a tap dancer, they're like, oh my God, I've always wanted to learn tap. And then when my tap dance students find out that I've started line dancing, they're like, oh my God, I've always wanted to line dance. So I'm kind of like thinking, maybe if I put a line dance tutorial on this channel, maybe some of you guys would really enjoy that. And also, maybe it'll bring some line dance people over to this channel. Hi line dance fans. And show them, oh, there's tap dance tutorials too, because these two dance styles are so related. I've picked up so fast at it simply because I'm a tap dancer. And like, line dancing can be easy, but it can also be very difficult. And massive kudos to the people that are like professional line dancers. You guys are amazing. But I've learned that if you're a tap dancer, it easily translates to line dancing, and vice versa. So if you're a line dancer and you're here to learn this dance, welcome to my channel. This is a tap dance channel that may or may not be featuring line dances if everyone likes this. If you're a tap dancer and you're like, why are you doing the line dance? Try it out. I promise you'll have fun, and you'll see it's so related because you're so used to doing fancy footwork, and a lot of line dancing is fancy footwork. So today I'm going to be teaching you version 1 of the line dance to a bar song. So it's like a bar song parentheses Tipsy. I suddenly can't remember whose song it is. Shaboozey. So yeah, it's a bar song parentheses Tipsy. And we're going to be learning one of the line dances that there are 2 line dances that I know of out there. If you guys like this one and want the other line dance version, I will absolutely make another tutorial of that. I'm also planning on making a couple for like some super popular ones. I love Austin by Dasha. Is it Dasha or Dasha? I think it's Dasha. Anyway, so let's go ahead and learn a line dance. And if you weren't coming here for a line dance and you don't feel like doing it, that's fine. Find a tap dance video. I've got plenty. So this line dance is pretty short. Pretty simple. It's 32 counts, 4 walls. If you're new to line dancing, 32 counts is basically just 4 counts of 8. And 4 walls means you're going to start facing one way, and then when you get to the end of the choreography and it starts over, you're going to end up facing another way. Although I think this one would then face this way. So we're going to use 1, 2, 3, and 4. All 4 walls. Okay? So if you're a line dancer, please forgive me. My terminology is somewhere between tap and jazz and line dance. So if you're going to correct my terminology, I welcome it. Just be nice about it, okay? So we start with what I would call like a box step. So you have step together to the right. So you're going to take your right leg and go step, and then you bring your left leg to meet it and put weight on it. That's important because we're about to not do that. So you're going 1 and. Then you're going to move forward with your right foot and then touch with your left foot. So you're going 1 and 2 and. And make sure that you don't put any weight on the second time you use your left foot. So let's try that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and. Ready? One more time. I'll count it 1, 2, 3, 4, because that's, I think, how the 32 counts is made. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. From there, you're going to step to the left and then step with your right foot. So you're going 1, 2, 3, touch, 5, 6. Put your weight on it. Ready? So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, touch, step, step. And you finish it off with step back with the left, touch right. So it's the same pattern. It's step, 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 touch, step, 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 touch. So the touch always happens on the 4th count. Let's try it together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. It can be confusing to like remember which one you step and which one you touch. Just remember that it's step and then touch with each set. This is a step, this is a touch, this is a step, this is a touch. All right, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Okay, from there, your right foot's free. You're gonna step, touch to the right, and then step, touch to the left. So you right, touch left, left, touch right. There are also optional claps on this part for you to go 1, 2, 3, 4. No worries if you don't want to do the claps. I've seen some people do it and some people not. So let's add that on to the box step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Your right foot's free. You have a grapevine this way. Step, back, step, touch. So you had step, touch, and now you take 3 steps, step, back, step, touch. All right, and then you're gonna actually repeat a lot of that. You're gonna go step, touch, left, right, left, touch. So from the step, touch to the grapevine, you do it twice, once on the right and once on the left. So let's try the left side. So you have step, touch, and then you have step, back, step, touch. All right, so let's do the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's add it on. We're almost done. I know, it's like so short. We're almost done. Ready? 5, 6 from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Cool. One little change I need to make. I taught it to you like it's a full repeat, but there is a little bit of a difference at the end. So we just did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to stop. 5, 6, 7. So instead of a touch there, you are going to scuff your foot and turn to face your left side. Okay? So that's the only difference there. I taught it to you like as a repeat just so that we could get it in our feet, but now there's just a little change that takes us to the next wall. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure we scuff and we're facing the left. So let's try that from the step to step, touch, step, touch. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, let's go from the top to there, and then you just have one more 8 count left, and we're good. So from the top, box step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Then you have dig, step, step out to like, I would call this second position. So let me face you so you can see. Let me face this way so you can see what I'm doing. Dig, step, step out, and then you have hip swivel or hip, or round, however you feel like doing it and however the place you're at, like everywhere that you learn this has like a different style, I would say. So I've seen it with a hip swing, I've seen it with hip, like a bouncy hip, I've seen it with hip, like around in a circle. Whatever works for you, you can even like just, for all I care, just 2 counts of, oh Lord, something there. I'm gonna do a hip swivel, but you guys do whatever it is that you wanna do or that you've seen. So that last part, we're not facing the side just so that we can see. You just did 8, you're gonna immediately go 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you hold 6. Okay? So now that would go facing the side. You just did, let's start from like left step touch, right step touch, left grapevine kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh Lord. All right, let's go from the beginning. Whole thing. See how we do. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. Step, touch, step, touch. Grapevine, step, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Side, back, side, kick. Dig, tap, dig, step, step. 7, 8. And then from there, you would just start again. It's the, oh Lord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Facing this way. Step, touch, grapevine. This is now your front. And now we turn to face the next wall. Oh Lord. And now this becomes your front. So as soon as you step here and you have that second to like get your grip on it, that's your new front. Okay? So can we try it with the song? Let's do 4 walls together. Let's give it a shot. Also, I just wanted to prepare you. We are using a piano cover of this song, not the original song for YouTube, like copyright purposes, but the dance does go to the original song. We're just going to practice it with a different version. Also, I slowed it down a little bit so that we could really learn it, and then I'll turn it all the way up to tempo after we try it a couple times. All right, let's do it. Is disorienting. It absolutely is, especially when it like some dances go from like one wall to the next and then that's not your next wall. You got to turn around. It's so disorienting, but so much fun. All right, I'm going to turn up the tempo just a little bit and then we're going to try it again and then we'll try it at full speed. Okay? step, clap. And I'm like, no, there's a touch. There is a touch there. So if you're like a dancer who does jazz, like that could happen. There's a touch. All right, let's do it all the way up at tempo one last time. And yeah, I'm having the time of my life right now. This is so much fun. Ready? Now it's fast. This is the tempo. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Than just my tiny 4x3 floor. But it's this is what I tap on if you're new to this channel. If you have questions about this floor, it's a nice sprung raised floor, which is amazing. So I have where you can get one of these in the comments. You can also just message me. I'm always happy to talk about it. This floor has saved my knees for sure. Another thing about knee saving, I have also fallen in love with platform cowboy boots because they also really help my knees to not have like my feet flat on the floor or up with a raised heel. So these are crazy, aren't they? I love them. Anyway, I hope you've had so much fun. If you're interested in learning the other version of a bar song, that is probably my favorite version. Like this one's fun, but the other one is like, there's just something about it. It's a little harder. So you can start with this one and then I can teach that one. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to do more line dancing or if you're like, hey girl, just stick to tap, okay? Like, and that's okay. I will keep these on a separate playlist. I will release them on a separate day if I start doing these more often. So it's not gonna interrupt any of the tap content. So make sure that you, if you enjoyed this or if you wanna learn how to tap dance, that you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. We've got line dancing now, but also we have tap dance tutorials of like choreography that you can learn to a specific song, or like just a step if you just want to learn a step. We have technique exercises, vlogs, games, challenges, all kinds of stuff on this channel. It's all free and it's all for you. Thank you guys so much for letting me bring another one of my passions to this channel. I'm really excited about it, especially since I really think that tap dance and line dance really are, they go hand in hand. It was so much easier for me to pick up on this than I thought it would be because I'm a tap dancer. And I've learned recently that a line dancer has a little bit of an easier time picking up tap dance. Again, because they're so used to like the scuff, dig, step, dig, step. They already know like half the steps in like the basics of tap, which is so cool. So yeah, thank you again for allowing me to branch out a little bit. While you're here, also hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed this or if you like this channel at all. And don't forget to let me know in the comments what you thought of this, if you liked it. And yeah, I think that's all I'm supposed to say, so I'm gonna let you all go. As always, thank you for dancing with me.